You are going to love the 2016 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.